Hello, traders, and welcome to TradingWithBill.com, coming to you from Pattaya, Thailand. Absolutely beautiful blue skies today. Some nice white fluffy clouds. Unbelievable. A little warm, but very nice. Traders, like I said, it is a Tuesday, and it is July 18th, 2017. Hey, look at the bright side of things. 6 months and 2 weeks, it'll be Christmas. And 6 months and 3 weeks, it'll be New Year's. We'll be in 2018. Time's flying. All right, let's take a look at what's going on. We had some data come out earlier today in Asia. Let's take a peek what's happening. So we had Aussie RBA meeting minutes. I am not seeing a big move here. We do see this, and this bounced up here a little bit. And we'll just keep this here because this is my trade of the day plan. So we'll just keep an eye on it. Look at this nasty range, huh? Just this nasty range. Remember, this is a 30-minute chart, but this is a nasty range. Your EMAs are all entangled with each other, the 5 and the 20 here. So we're just going to leave that alone. I'm probably going to stick one more EMA on there, and I hesitate to do it, but I've done it for so many years. I really like the 55 EMA, so we might throw that on there later today. So let's get back to data. So that came out, and we have coming out now. We don't have anything till the Eurozone. Then we got Great British Pound CPI year on year, and we got CPI month on month for June coming out today. There's a bunch of CPIs coming out of the pound today, but not anything other than low impact data. Okay, so we have German Zoo current conditions out of the euro today. We also have German Zoo economic sentiment. That's the big number today. That'll be the big one that can probably jerk the markets a little bit. But you know what? It's coming out of Germany, and I would expect it to be good numbers. I mean, Germany economically is just booming. Their numbers are good. They're just doing really well, really well. The Euro Zoo economic sentiment today comes out, and then the pound BOE Governor Carney speaks today. Now, normally I wouldn't listen to him or care what he says, but being that they're into this Brexit thing and all this is going on, might be worth watching. And if you're in a trade with the pound, protect yourself, right? Just protect yourself. And that is it, my friends. That looks like that is it for that. Let's take a look at our indices. S&P futures down 0.14%. NASDAQ futures down 0.11%. Dow 30 down 0.04%. S&P 500 VIX positive 3.26%. Nikkei 225 down 0.87%. Dollar index down 0.34%, sitting below 95. Come on, dollar. We need you to pop up there. Give us some nice short trades on the dollar pairs. All right, your index is up 0.28% at 92.33. All right, let's jump over here. What's gold doing? Gold is up 0.27%. Crude oil WTI is at 46.05. Brent came down a little bit off that 49 area. It's now at 48.37. Again, this looks like just a good opportunity to buy heading back to that 50 mark as always. All right, natural gas is up 0.23%, and U.S. coffee is negative 0.21%. All right, that looks like that is about it for that. Let's get over to the charts. We're on this Aussie dollar here, and I looked at this chart earlier before this came out, the meeting minutes. So this came out, it popped up here a little bit, but this isn't a big move, right? This isn't like earth-shattering data that came out from these meeting minutes. I did not read them. I don't have anything on them other than what price action has done. It popped up, so apparently the markets liked what they had to say. However, my bias is bearish on the Aussie. And I know what you're saying. Listen, this has made a nice uptick to the upside, and you're right. It has. It has really made a nice move to the upside. However, the Aussies don't want this high, okay? They want this at 68. 65, 66. They don't want this at 78, my friends. And so they're going to do anything they can to get this back down. And I'm willing for them to do that and do it soon so I can make some profits, and we want to sell this. So we're looking to get in this just below that 7,800 mark. We're getting at 7,780, and we're going to take this straight down. Now, we have another wide open space. Now, you know I am really big about trading in wide open spaces, right? This, my friends, is a nice wide open space right here to the downside. If we can get our entry at 77.80, we're going to see this 200 exponential moving average. I don't think it's going to do anything off the 200. There's no price action left of the chart. Then we have a smooth ride down to 76.80 and maybe even farther. However, you know, we come down to the 76.80 point. Even the 77.10 is fine to get out of this and get an 80 pip trade, 70 pip trade. If it goes down, we're over 100 pips, right? So there's something we got to watch today. We'll see what happens. We got data coming out, and we'll just keep an eye on the Aussie dollar. I think we can, we can't, we maybe. Let's take a look at the euro. Just is not working with me. The euro is just not working with me. It's just it's not where I want it to be, my friends. And you know, I'm bearish on the euro, but I have to be honest with you. There's just nothing here to sell. Really, it's bullish, to be honest with you. This is a bullish move here, right? You got the EMAs all underneath. You know, the 5 and the 20 are zapped, but apparently this data that came out really popped this to the upside. So nothing to do here on the euro. I'd let this settle out, see what happens in about 3 or 4 hours. Let's get some candles behind here and see if this is going to come back to the downside, or is this going to continue to move to the upside. So we'll watch the euro dollar. I took a small loss on this yesterday. You know, I tried to sell this here, came back up, then, you know, I got popped out, and then, you know, I came back, you know, again, just got wrapped around this, and I took like 3 entries on this. One of them I took a loss, the others I got out, you know, with like 3 pips or whatever. So not a good trade yesterday. I have to be honest with you. But I stayed with my trade plan, and my trade plan was at the price, and I stayed with my trade plan. It didn't work. That's what happens. Welcome to trading, right? I don't care what instrument you're trading. It just happens. Let's take a look at the pound real quick. Pound come back down here out of sort of a kind of maybe a support area at this 30.50 area. But, you know, this to me looks weak. The 200 is starting to move flat to the side. It's still an up move, but it's starting to move flat now, and that's what we want to see. Got to watch these 5 and 20 exponential moving average. I really, you know, want to see price come back down here. These candles look weak to me. You know, these are candles, right? These look really weak to me. So it's either going to continue to the upside or it's going to come down. I know you're saying, no, you're kidding me, William. Is it really? Yeah, no, really. So we got a 50-50 shot what it's going to do. But if you look at technical analysis, the pound is got a lot of data coming out today, and I would expect this to continue to the downside. All right. Let's take one more peek here at the dollar yen. The dollar is just taking a beating, my friends. Just absolutely taking a slaughtering. And, you know, there's nothing we can do about it, right? This is just really, you know, this was an L for lower that I didn't think was going to happen. Didn't I say that yesterday? And you know what? It popped back up and just crunched it right down. Look at this, right to that blue line there, right? That's a resistance line. What does it do? Right through it. This yellow line is basically like a daily pivot point, but we call it the mean line, right? And it just went right through that, and then rode it for a while, and then came back to the downside through the overnight into Asia this morning. So, but this just dumped today. Look at this, just down to the downside. All right, that about does it for me today. That's what's going on in the markets, and I'm really excited to be back at the trading desk. And let's see what we can do today. Traders, have a great trading day, and always remember to trade smart and not hard. And we'll catch you next time. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.